producer yavugaga.
We had the same speech.
Twari dufite speech isa, discours isa.
Our ultimate call as Africa. Our ultimate call. Our ultimate call, it is to preach the unity of Africa. Because what will save us and the future generations of Africa. You might be experiencing it as Abanyamulenge in Congo. But even us in Uganda, sometimes when politics are high, they usually tell us you're supposed to go back to your home in Rwanda. But the only place that you know is Uganda to be your home. So I want to let you know these tribal callings, they are everywhere. So what is our assignment for all who are here? And we are in a place of worship. It is to advocate, it is to be preachers of unity. When I was coming, I was asking God, so what am I going to? Because I didn't know there were refugees of this number in Nairobi. So he was like, since you're going to church, tell people to become preachers of unity. You are the one who have experienced what it is to be disunited. So I invite you to become advocates of unity of Africa. Because that is where our survival is. Then you are the one who have experienced what it is to leave your home and live in other places. So you are the one to preach peace. When we are seated here, I saw the tears. I saw the pain of women here who have lost their loved ones. And I've been praying for women in DRC. Because every time I see women carrying luggages and carrying their children, I get hurt. So the pastor was saying, who was giving a speech here,
the pastor was
don't the Congolese Banyamulenge deserve to live? Then he was like, who is going to speak for the Abanyamulenge? So when he was speaking, I knew that was my message. Because I know God takes us to places to stand for those who cannot stand for themselves. So today I got clarity of what I'm supposed to do where God has taken me. It is to advocate for your freedom. It is to advocate for your justice. It is to advocate for you to go back to your home. You deserve to live. You deserve to be. Because God did not create you to live in scattered places. So, what I wanted to assure the pastor, today I give myself an assignment to speak for the Abanyamulenge. In every parliament that I will go to, in every place that I will go to, even recently I started a forum for the first ladies of East Africa. And what God was telling me was, do we ever think of those women from Congo? So we are going to stand and pray for you.
tugiye guhagarara kandi
We are going
tubasengere
to, everywhere God will take me, I will speak about your name.
ahantu hose imana izajya injyana nzajya mvuga izina ry'abanyamurenge.
So I think all of us,
ndatekereza twebwe twese
you have been seeing human rights activists.
twagiye tureba abavugizi b'uburenganzira
You
bw'ikiremwamuntu,
have been seeing street preachers.
mwarebye abantu benshi babwiriza.
So today I invite you to become preachers of unity.
uyu munsi rero ndabakangurira kuba
So me, I
ababwiriza
already
b'ubumwe.
formed a group.
Njye kera nakoze groupe, nakoze
So we are
itsinda,
going to be on streets.
tugiye kuba mu mihanda, tugiye kwinjira mu mihanda,
We are going to speak about your liberty.
tugiye kuvuga imibabaro yanyu.
Then this in November,
Mu kwa 11
we have a date called the East African Community Day.
dufite umunsi witwa East Africa Community Day.
It is always celebrated on 30th November.
Uhora bawizihiza ku itariki 13 z'ukwa 11.
So this year we are going to celebrate the ESC in Nairobi, Kenya.
Tuzawizihiza hano Nairobi ESC.
So we are calling it ESC Family Reunion.
Tuzawita ESC Family Union.
And we are doing it in the form of a marathon.
Kandi tuzawukora n'amaguru muri formule yo kugenda n'amaguru.
We are going to have our presidents.
Tuzaba dufite umukuru w'igihugu,
We are going to have our ministers across the ESC.
tuzaba dufite abayobozi,
And we are going to have our members of parliament.
kandi tuzaba dufite abanyamuryango, abamambure bo muri parlement.
I invite all of you to come and run with us as we celebrate this day.
So ndabararika mwese kuzaza uwo munsi tukaba hamwe,
Because we are showing our cause for united East Africa,
kubera ko tuzaba turi kugaragaza inacu nk'abanyamuryango bo muri East Africa,
and we are showing a cause for united Africa.
and also na cause y'aba East Africa.
So I am very grateful for this day,
Rero ndanyuzwe cyane, nshimye Imana
and
kubw'uyu
we
munsi,
pray for those who went,
kandi turasengera abagiye,
and we thank God so much for those who have survived.
kandi dushima n'Imana ku bwacu
To God
twasigaye.
all things are possible.
Ku Mana ibintu byose birashoboka,
He's a faithful God.
n'Imana yo kwizerwa.
Me, I never doubt God.
Ntago njyewe
The
ndashidikanya
moment
ku
you're
Mana.
gathered here,
Igihe muri hano muteranye
He
hano,
watches and He listens.
iri kubibona kandi iri
So
kubumva.
every time you come in His presence,
Igihe cyose muje muri hano,
He listens your tears.
Imana yumva amarira yanyu.
He will not forsake you for long.
Ntago izabasiga kubw'igihe
You will not
kirekire.
be in pain for long.
Ntago izabarekera mu bubabare igihe
The
kirekire.
God of Israel is our God,
Imana ya Isiraheli ni Imana
and
yacu,
He will deliver you.
kandi izabakiza.
He will deliver Africa.
Izakiza Afurika.
We are going to be free from colonial chains
Tuzava mu minyororo y'abadukoroneje,
that has made us to be who we are.
abatugize abo turi bo.
Because when Professor was speaking,
Kubera ko igihe profesa
though I didn't
yavugaga,
understand Kiswahili very well,
nubwo ntumva igiswahili
but he was
neza,
talking about the root cause of all this that we are seeing.
ariko yavugaga umuzi
He was
w'ibyo
talking
tubamo,
about the Wazungu.
yavugaga abazungu n'umuzi w'ibyo turi gucamo
So
ubu.
there is no way we are going to defeat the strong man
Ariko nta gihe tuzatsinda n'imbaraga
without leaning on God.
tutiyegamije ku Mana,
Because He's mightier,
kubera ko irakomeye,
He's greater.
irakomeye.
It will be time like this
Izaba ari igihe nk'iki
that Abanyamulenge will go back to their home,
muzasubira mu gihugu cyanyu,
and you will see your freedom and peace.
kandi muzabona amahoro
Because we have
n'uburenganzira,
experienced it as Uganda.
kubera ko nkatwe nk'abagande
God has given us peace for 40 years.
twebwe Imana yaduhaye amahoro mu myaka 40,
And so we know it is possible.
kandi turabizi ko bishoboka kubona kandi amahoro.
Thank you, Pastor.
Murakoze
God
cyane
bless
bashumba,
you.
Imana ibahe umugisha,
I love you so much.
ndabakunda
So
cyane.
I commit myself to advocate for your liberty.
So nitanze cyane kuvuganira ubwoko bwanyu n'imibabaro muri gucamo.
Yes, Africa, your issue is our African problem. You are not alone.
Ikibazo cyanyu ntabwo ari icyanyu gusa, ikibazo cyanyu ni icy'Afurika yose.
Yes, God bless you.
Imana ibahe umugisha.
Thank you very much. Hanyuma ndagira ngo n'ubundi tusigaje gahunda nkeya, ndagira ngo twakire uhagarariye local government
We are remaining with few programs and we would like to welcome the one who presents local government.
nawe arakoresha umwanya muto.
He's going to use a short moment of time.
Thank you. I'll be brief. My name is Geoffrey. Okay. Kwa majina yangu ni